can't believe I just learned about this method after the second semester of uni. Hi everyone, it's Jane and welcome back. Today's video is still in my university series, and today I'm going to tackle a question that plagues and scares many students, especially freshmen, which is how to choose the correct major so we won't cry every semester. Choosing the correct major is highly important because it literally decides your entire life eventually. It is also a massive burden for all students because how do you expect us to choose the correct major when some of us don't even know how to drive? If you have seen my previous video on handling the wrong major and common mistakes in choosing a major and still feel lost, don't worry, I got you. In this video, I'll show you 4 easy yet effective steps to help you find a major that suits your passion and interests and help you to get into it successfully. Plus, I'll show you a Notion template that I have made to help you organize campus and major information that you can copy here or in the link in the description box, so stick around until the end of the video. Let's get straight into the first step. Classify your passion and interest using Ikigai. Ikigai is a Japanese tool that can help you find your life purpose. Ikigai is not a new thing, but I just discovered that we can use this tool to help us determine the right major after the second semester of uni. Yes, it is still late for me, but not for... I'll show you how Ikigai can be so helpful if you use it properly. So, you might want to start making your Ikigai in high school, especially in the first or second year. So when the third year comes, your Ikigai diagram is likely to be completed. There are 4 areas in Ikigai that you have to complete, which are things that you love, things that you are good at, things that you can be paid for, and things that the world needs. I'll show you how to fill the Ikigai diagram. Okay, first of all, for things that you love, please write everything you enjoy doing, even though you're not good at it. For things you are good at, list things that you are skilled at or can become skilled at with practice. For things that you can be paid for, include jobs that can pay your bills, incorporating previous question if possible. And for the last section, which is things that the world needs, write everything that your community or city needs to solve their problems. Here's my Ikigai for an example. For the things that I love section, I wrote crocheting, writing or journaling, wearing makeups and skincare, animals, human anatomy and genetics, playing guitar, editing videos and pictures. For what I am good at section, I wrote biology, memorizing things, teaching, lab activities and some sports. For what I can be paid for, I wrote teaching, be a researcher or scientist, making contents, be a doctor or be a consultant. For the what the world needs section, I wrote new renewable energy source, affordable cure for lethargic disease, good public transportation systems, and better education systems. Don't worry, there's no pressure. You have plenty of time to explore a lot of new things, so you can fill your Ikigai diagram with various lists. Okay, step 1, check, pretty easy. Now let's go to the second step, which is gather information about majors and campuses. It doesn't have to be so detailed, but at least you have to be familiar with universities and campuses around you. Usually, your local campuses will hold an open house event, so try to attend those events, maybe with your friends, and look around as much as you can. You can also try attending an educational expo for local and international campuses. Start to do this during high school, in your free time, alongside the first step. Learn about some of the best campuses in your country or abroad if you're interested and what they are known for. For example, is it for the STEM majors or the art majors or the law majors? Okay, now it's time to combine your Ikigai and campus information that you have gathered. Before everything, write down the conclusion of your Ikigai. So based on my Ikigai diagram, I wrote, because I love writing, biology, and studying human and genetics, and I'm good at biology and basically memorizing things. Therefore, I can be a doctor, a scientist, or a teacher and help creating a better cure for everybody, develop a new renewable energy source, or create a better education system. From this, we can see some potential majors, which are medical, biology, microbiology, bioengineering, and also education. Now, mark down these majors and search for the syllabi to see that if they really interest you. Do this in the final year of high school when you have finished your Ikigai diagram. The goal of this step is to truly identify what you are going to learn in those majors and whether you enjoy it or not based on your Ikigai. If the syllabi weren't enough, try to reach some seniors via social media like Reddit or Twitter to get unvarnished opinions about the major. If you have watched until this part, then you are only one step away from your dream major. There are a lot of entrance test types depending on the campuses. However, usually for bachelor's degree, there is a national entrance test in every country. For example, in Indonesia, we have to take SNBT and it only takes place once a year. So you clearly have to prepare for this because right now, your dream major is only bridged by the entrance test. That's why I have added a database in the Notion template to store information about the entrance test so you can prepare well. In the database, there are also columns for majors, campuses, entrance tests, tuition fee, and also the conclusion. Because we always need a clear and neat database to store all information that we have gathered with sweat and tears, right? If you are successfully watching until the end of the video, I believe you're getting into your dream major real soon. Comment down below your dream major with emojis so we all can cheer you up. I hope you guys find this video helpful and more videos like this are coming up real soon, so don't forget to click the subscribe button so you won't miss any updates. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye!